Pro arm wrestlers react to the Brian Shaw versus Leonidas Arcona super match. For the first time, Brian has given a detailed breakdown of the situation on his own YouTube channel. He first of all thanked East vs West for the opportunity and the great event, and then he congratulated Leonidas Arcona for his amazing performance and his victory. Brian said that the plan was to keep the game outside of the strap and pin Leonidas Arcona with hand control. But he was also a little bit concerned about the recent rule change where you only need to slip twice in a super match. In the first couple of rounds, Brian couldn't prevent the slip. And from this match, he learned that probably all of his arm wrestling in the future is going to be in a referee's grip and in a strap. So he will be preparing more for that. Brian also didn't feel the connection to the strap in the referee's grip, and it messed up everything else down the chain. His focus was kind of off the game after that, and he wasn't even able to bring his shoulder forward when he finally decided to go for the press. He said he didn't know about that rule. He only knew about the rule that the shoulder cannot cross the center line. I mean, if that is the case, then Brian is doing a bad job in doing his research about arm wrestling rules, or the referee, even Luke Polster was there. So his training buddies also didn't tell him this? I'm kind of surprised. But anyways, Brian seems to be motivated and he's already working on improving his game. He said he learned a lot from this match, even more than his wins. Lot of people outside of me put in a lot of work. So I feel disappointed that in a way I let them down, because I know I was capable of a lot more, and all the fans who were supporting me, in a way, I let them down as well, because the expectations were sky high. Win or lose, Brian's plan was to take a little step back for his new approach towards arm wrestling and then get back to training, which is exactly what he's doing right now. He realizes that he's not going to win all of his matches, so this loss isn't going to set him back. Devon Larratt said 3 words about this match: control, comfort, and a different level from Leonidas Arcona. Devon said that Leonidas had his stuff together during the preparation of this match. He quit his work for 6 weeks, which is very rare from Leonidas. He doesn't really take arm wrestling prep that seriously. The time in the sport, the experience level for these two gentlemen was different, and that showed on the table. Michael Todd didn't think that Leonidas will be able to flash pin Brian Shaw in the straps in round 1. He said that Brian was just trying to hammer curl with his arm, while Leonidas was taking everything as a single unit and then pulling back, and once he secured the position, then Leonidas was hitting sideways. He believes that Brian Shaw must have learned a lot from this loss and he is going to get better. But Leonidas is an absolute stud. He's a super strong individual, naturally gifted for the sport of arm wrestling. Brian, on the other hand, received a lot of information from a lot of people, and I think I mean Michael Todd thinks that it is bad for him. I don't think it is a good excuse. It's like saying there was too much good food around me, so I ate a lot of that, and despite the food being healthy, I got fat. That's not a valid excuse in my opinion. Michael thinks that Brian has a super bright future in the sport of arm wrestling, but it is just going to take time, just like everything takes time in arm wrestling. Hermes Gasparini believes that Brian did really well considering his small amount of time in arm wrestling. He changed his technique multiple times. Leonidas has lot more experience and stronger than Brian in some areas. If Brian committed more with his shoulder press, maybe he can win, but I think he don't know much about this technique. Hermes cannot wait to see Leonidas again. He's a super talented, super strong individual. So mixed opinion from all of the experts. Looks like everyone kind of enjoyed this match, and we cannot wait to see more of these two guys on the table.